If you're thinking about jumping into the world of cryptocurrency in 2026, you've picked an exciting time. But let's be real, the first step can be the trickiest, choosing the right exchange. With so many options out there, how do you know which one is safe, easy to use, and won't overwhelm you with crazy charts and fees? Don't worry, I've got your back. I've spent countless hours testing, trading, and researching to bring you the definitive list of the top 5 crypto exchanges for beginners in 2026. We're going to break down each one, looking at user-friendliness, fees, security, and special features so you can make a smart, confident choice. Ready to start your crypto journey on the right foot? Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Kraken. Now, Kraken has been around for a long time, since 2011, making it one of the oldest and most respected exchanges in the game. For beginners, this history is a huge plus because it translates to proven security and reliability. Their interface is clean and straightforward, especially if you stick to their basic instant buy feature. It's as simple as picking your crypto, entering the amount, and hitting buy. Where Kraken really shines for newcomers is its educational resources. They have an incredible library of articles, videos, and guides that explain everything from what blockchain is to advanced trading strategies, all in plain English. Their fee structure is also competitive, using a maker-taker model that rewards you with lower fees as your trading volume increases. While the full Kraken Pro interface can look a bit intimidating at first, the basic platform is a fantastic and secure starting point for anyone serious about learning the ropes of crypto. Coming in at number 4, we have Bybit. Originally known for derivatives trading, Bybit has transformed into an incredibly user-friendly, all-in-one crypto platform that's perfect for beginners. The first thing you'll notice is the slick, modern design of their mobile app and website. It just feels intuitive. Buying your first crypto is a breeze with their one-click buy feature, which supports tons of different payment methods like credit cards and bank transfers. What sets Bybit apart for newcomers is its copy trading feature. This allows you to automatically mimic the trades of experienced, successful traders on the platform. It's an amazing way to learn by watching the pros and potentially earn while you're still figuring things out. They also have a fantastic Learn and Earn program where you can watch short videos about different crypto projects and earn free tokens for completing quizzes. It's a fun, no-risk way to build your portfolio. With low trading fees and a focus on community and education, Bybit is a powerful and engaging choice for anyone starting out in 2026. Securing the number 3 spot on our list is Gemini. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini's motto has always been security and compliance first. If you're someone who is a little nervous about the Wild West reputation of crypto, Gemini is designed to put your mind at ease. They are heavily regulated, especially in the United States, and they take security to another level with features like institutional-grade cold storage for the majority of user assets. Their user interface is arguably one of the cleanest and simplest out there. The mobile app is beautiful and makes buying, selling, and holding crypto incredibly straightforward. Another great feature for beginners is Gemini Earn, which allows you to lend out your crypto and earn interest on it, letting your assets work for you with minimal effort. While their base trading fees can be a bit higher than some competitors on this list, many users are happy to pay that small premium for the peace of mind that comes with Gemini's top-tier security and regulatory oversight. For the cautious beginner who values safety above all else, Gemini is an outstanding choice. Our runner-up, taking the number 2 spot, is the powerhouse Binance. As the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, Binance offers an unparalleled selection of cryptocurrencies. If there's a coin you've heard of, chances are you can trade it on Binance. For beginners, the key is to stick with the Binance Lite mode on their mobile app. This feature strips away all the complex charts and order books, giving you a super simple interface to buy and sell crypto in just a few taps. Binance also has one of the most comprehensive ecosystems out there. You have the Binance Academy for education, a launchpad for getting in early on new projects, and the Binance Earn feature, which offers a massive range of ways to generate passive income on your holdings. Their trading fees are famously low, and you can get an additional discount by using their native token, BNB, to pay for them. The sheer size and number of features can feel a bit overwhelming if you dive into the deep end too quickly. But by starting with Binance Lite and exploring the platform, gradually you gain access to an unmatched world of crypto opportunities. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 best crypto exchange for beginners in 2026 is Coinbase. There's a reason Coinbase is often the first exchange people hear about. They have mastered the art of making crypto accessible to the absolute beginner. The sign-up process is as easy as creating a new social media account, and connecting your bank account is secure and seamless. The interface, both on the web and on their top-rated mobile app, is incredibly clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Buying your first Bitcoin or Ethereum feels as simple as buying a book online. What truly sets Coinbase apart for beginners in 2026 is its focus on trust and education. As a publicly traded company in the US, they are held to a high standard of transparency. Their Learn and Earn program is the best in the industry, allowing you to earn free crypto just for learning about it. They also have a simple, recurring buy feature that makes dollar cost averaging effortless. While its fees on simple instant buy transactions can be higher than others, the unmatched ease of use, strong security, and excellent educational tools make Coinbase the undisputed champion for anyone starting their crypto journey. So there you have it, the top 5 crypto exchanges for beginners in 2026. Let's do a quick recap. At number 5, Kraken, for its proven security and fantastic educational content. At number 4, Bybit, with its slick interface and innovative copy trading feature. In third place, Gemini, the top choice for those who prioritize security and regulation above all else. Our runner-up at number 2 is Binance, offering the widest selection of coins and incredibly low fees, especially if you use Binance Lite. And our number 1 pick, Coinbase, for its unparalleled ease of use and beginner-friendly experience. Remember, the best exchange is ultimately a personal choice. It depends on your specific needs, your location, and what features are most important to you. My advice, don't be afraid to sign up for a couple of them. The sign-up process is usually free, and it allows you to get a feel for the interface and see which one you feel most comfortable with. Start small, never invest more than you're willing to lose, and most importantly, keep learning. The crypto space is always evolving, and staying informed is your greatest asset. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helps you take that first exciting step into the world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides and reviews. Got a question or want to share which exchange you're using? Drop a comment down below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, trade smart and stay curious.